Welcome to Chef Crown, where you'll learn the best tricks and tips. Today, we'll delve into
Burnt food stuck to your nonstick pan? It's frustrating, but don't throw it out just yet. I'll show you the safest, easiest way to remove the mess without damaging the nonstick surface. Let's save your pan. The first mistake most people make? Scrubbing hard with metal pads or abrasive cleaners. This destroys the nonstick coating, making your pan useless. Instead, I'll show you an easy method that works every time. No scratches, no stress. Start by filling the pan with warm water and adding a few drops of mild dish soap. Let it soak for 15-20 minutes. This softens the burnt food, so it's easier to remove without scrubbing. For stubborn spots, sprinkle baking soda over the burnt food. Add a little water to make a paste, then gently scrub with a soft sponge or dishcloth. Baking soda is abrasive enough to clean, but gentle enough to protect the coating. If soaking and baking soda aren't enough, try this. Fill the pan with water and bring it to a boil. The heat loosens the burnt food, making it easy to wipe away after it cools down. Now, before the last step. If you're loving these cleaning hacks, grab our free Chef's Knife Guide, 20 Famous Chefs and Their Must-Have Knives. It's full of pro tips to upgrade your kitchen. Get it now at chefcrown.com/knives. Finally, rinse the pan thoroughly under warm water and dry it completely with a soft towel. And just like that, your pan is clean and ready for its next meal. Want to avoid burnt food in the future? Here are a few tips. Cook at medium heat. High heat can easily burn food. Always use a little oil or butter to prevent sticking. Clean your pan right after it cools to avoid buildup. With these habits, you'll keep your non-stick pan in perfect shape. And there you have it. Your burnt pan is saved, no scrubbing required. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen tips, and comment below. What's your go-to trick for cleaning tough messes? See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Want more knife inspiration? Download your free guide, 20 Famous Chefs and Their Must-Have Knives, using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sharp insights. See you next time.